In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stage in Freshsales in just 5 minutes. This process can help you effectively manage your sales pipeline by tailoring it to your specific needs. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and type Freshsales into the search bar. Click on the official Freshsales site link to navigate to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, make sure to sign up to access all the features we're going to discuss today. After you've successfully logged into your Freshsales account, direct your attention to the upper corner of the screen where you'll notice the Admin Settings icon, which looks like a gear. Clicking on this will open up the Admin Settings menu. Here you will find various options that allow you to customize different aspects of your Freshsales experience. Within the Admin Settings menu, look for the option labeled Pipelines. Selecting this will guide you to a page displaying your current pipelines. You'll see the default pipeline that comes with Freshsales. But if you want to create a new one, locate the plus symbol or the button that says Add New Pipeline. This feature allows you to create a system that reflects the specific stages of your sales process, giving you a personalized approach to managing your deals. Once you've clicked on the option to add a new pipeline, you'll need to give it a name. Choose something descriptive that helps you easily identify the pipeline's purpose or the type of deals it will organize. A clear name is crucial for maintaining an efficient workflow, especially as your team grows and your processes become more complex. Now, to add a new stage to this pipeline, look for the option that says Add Deal Stage, or find the plus symbol next to the current list of stages. This is your gateway to customizing the journey each deal will take through your sales process. Enter the name for your new stage, keeping in mind that it should clearly convey its role in the pipeline. Once you've named your new stage, it's time to adjust additional settings to tailor it to your needs. You can specify the probability of closing deals that reach this stage. This percentage helps in forecasting and tracking potential revenue streams. Don't forget to explore any other customizable options available, as these can add valuable insights to your sales data. Finally, after you've made all the necessary adjustments and are satisfied with the configuration of your new stage, be sure to save your changes. This step finalizes the creation of the new stage within your pipeline, ensuring it is ready for use in your sales strategy. There you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned to create a customized stage in Freshsales, streamlining your sales process for better efficiency and effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tips and tricks for optimizing your Freshsales experience.